Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. ORG Cars 2025 Hyundai Sonata continues to make a significant impact in the midsize sedan market, offering a blend of sophisticated design, advanced technology, and versatile performance options. With a starting MSRP of approximately $26,800, the Sonata provides exceptional value for drivers seeking a stylish and feature-rich vehicle. Striking exterior design. Hyundai's commitment to innovative design is evident in the 2025 Sonata's exterior. The sedan features a bold front fascia with a distinctive cascading grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights that enhance its modern aesthetic. The sculpted body lines not only contribute to the vehicle's dynamic appearance but also improve aerodynamic efficiency, resulting in better fuel economy. Available in a range of vibrant colors and equipped with stylish alloy wheels, the Sonata stands out on any road. Modern interior with advanced technology. Inside, the 2025 Sonata offers a spacious and comfortable cabin designed with both driver and passengers in mind. High-quality materials and meticulous craftsmanship create an inviting atmosphere. The dashboard is dominated by a user-friendly infotainment system featuring a large touchscreen display compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. Higher trims offer additional luxuries such as a panoramic sunroof, ambient interior lighting, and premium leather seating surfaces. Performance and handling. The 2025 Sonata provides a balanced driving experience, prioritizing comfort and efficiency. The base engine delivers adequate power for daily commuting and highway driving, while the N Line variant offers a more spirited performance with its turbocharged engine and sport-tuned suspension. The 8-speed automatic transmission ensures smooth and responsive gear shifts across all models. Safety and driver assistance features. Safety remains a top priority in the 2025 Sonata, which comes equipped with an array of standard and available driver assistance technologies. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert work together to enhance driver awareness and reduce the risk of collisions. The Sonata's robust safety suite has contributed to its favorable ratings in various crash tests, providing peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. Trim levels and pricing. The 2025 Hyundai Sonata is available in multiple trim levels to cater to a wide range of preferences and budgets. Starting at $26,800, the base SE trim offers essential features, including an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, cloth seating, and a suite of standard safety features. SE, priced from $28,300, the SE adds amenities such as heated front seats, a power-adjustable driver's seat, and dual-zone automatic climate control. SE convenience, starting at $30,800. This trim enhances comfort with features like a panoramic sunroof, wireless device charging, and additional driver assistance technologies. N Line, at $34,200, the N Line offers a performance-oriented experience with a turbocharged engine, sport-tuned suspension, and unique exterior styling elements. Sonata Hybrid, beginning at $30,100, the Sonata Hybrid combines efficiency with comfort, featuring a hybrid powertrain and amenities similar to the Sonata trim. Limited Hybrid, the top-tier Limited Hybrid, starting at $37,600, includes premium features such as leather seating, a Bose premium audio system, and advanced driver assistance technologies. Conclusion. The 2025 Hyundai Sonata stands out in the midsize sedan segment by offering a harmonious blend of style, technology, performance, and safety. Its diverse trim levels and competitive pricing make it an attractive option for a wide range of drivers. Whether you're seeking a reliable daily commuter or a sedan with a sporty edge, the 2025 Sonata delivers on all fronts.